This is a 98 Chevy K1500 with the 5.7 Vortec. So, starter, she idles extremely rough. Every time I hit the brakes going towards stop signs and hitting stoplights and whatnot, she pretty much just stalls out. Not every time, but the majority of the time. Going in the turns and whatnot, hitting the brakes, she just stalls out. New plugs and wires, new cap and rotor, new idle air, new throttle body position sensor, new EGR, new belt, new pulley, new tensioner pulley. That's gone out 3 times in a year. Mass airflow sensor's brand new. Forget what that is called, but that was replaced about 5 months ago. New torque converter. Grounds were, well, those right there. Come on, camera, focus. Those grounds right there look like shoestrings or whatnot. They were recently, spots were cleaned and put back. I'm at a loss, but I'm gonna say she has a rough idle. RPMs in her literally just bounce everywhere. Let me get my keys out of my pocket. Server's engine soon is because I removed the daylights. What? Okay, that's weird. But server's engine light keeps popping on because I removed the security system entirely. It goes on and off. And that's just what she does. It's not me doing that. Like my feet are, outside. But I mean, it's just constant. And then going down the highway, it feels like all fuel shut off, but she got a new fuel pump. The lines are brand new, the wires. I mean, took it to a shop and they couldn't figure it out. Hooked it up to a computer, let it idle. They ran it with the computer still connected. The computer says it's running perfectly fine. But obviously she ain't. If anyone can give any type of clues or whatnot, I appreciate it.